Hi everyone, welcome back. Today, we are at the market to buy fresh ingredients for our Sunday lunch. Look at these tomatoes. They are so ripe and red. They will make our dish very savory.
We have everything now. Carrots, tomatoes, bread, and beef. Let's go to the checkout.
That will be $15, please.
Tom, can you help me carry these heavy bags?
Sure thing, I can help.
I'm so hungry, let's go! I'm so glad we found everything. It's gonna be a great lunch.
Definitely.
I agree. All right, so I was thinking we could put a bit more garlic in the vegetables.
Oh, I love that idea. It'll be delicious.
Yeah, sounds perfect. I'm ready to start searing. I will wash the lettuce. It feels so crunchy and fresh. I am chopping the onions. Be careful, Anna, don't cry.
Now I am stir-frying the beef with garlic. The aroma is delicious.
It smells amazing. Let's eat, everyone. Wow, the beef is so savory. We did a great job today.
I'm glad you like it. Cooking together is so much fun.
Everything is perfect. Let's gather and cook together every Sunday. Thank you for watching Daily English Flow 365. See you next Sunday. Goodbye.